So, you're looking to boost your income in the USA for 2026? Well, you are in exactly the right place. Over the next few minutes, we're going to lay out a clear roadmap to the best side hustles and passive income ideas, especially for beginners who are ready to start building some real wealth. Are you really ready to take control of your finances? To build something that leads to more financial freedom? That's exactly what we're here to figure out together. So let's just dive right in. Okay, first things first. Before you even think about picking an idea, you've got to understand the fundamental choice you're making. You see, there are two main roads you can take to earn extra income, and knowing the difference between them is absolutely key to picking the right strategy for you. So think of it like this. On one side, you have the active hustle. This is where you trade your time directly for money. You do some freelance writing, you get paid. You tutor someone, you get paid. Pretty straightforward. But on the other side, you have passive income. This is different. Here you put in the hard work up front to build something, like an online course, that then pays you over and over again long after that initial work is done. One gets you cash now, the other builds wealth for the future. All right, let's start with that immediate cash flow, because who doesn't like that? This section is all about ideas that are super low investment, low risk, things you can literally start today to build some momentum, and just as important, to build your confidence. Chances are you already have a skill someone out there is willing to pay for. Seriously, whether you're a good writer, you have an eye for design, you know your way around high school math, or you're just really organized. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it super easy to connect with people who need your help and start earning right away. Have you ever dreamed of running your own online store but got scared off by the thought of buying tons of inventory? Well, forget about all that. With Print on Demand, a company prints and ships your t-shirt or mug design only after someone buys it. Or with dropshipping, you're just the storefront. A supplier handles all the stock and the shipping. These models completely remove the biggest hurdle for starting an online business. And of course, we can't forget about the gig economy. The real beauty here, it's all about pure flexibility. You can literally turn your availability on and off with an app on your phone. Whether you're delivering food, walking a few dogs, or helping with some local tasks, these are hands down some of the fastest ways to turn your spare time into cash in your pocket. All right, let's shift gears now. We've talked about how to earn some quick cash. Now it's time to talk about the long game. We're talking about building systems that work for you, creating what can become a true passive income empire. You know, creating an online course is a perfect example of this. It's really just a four-step process. First, you pick a skill you have. Then, you package that skill into some really helpful, engaging content. Third, you upload it to a platform like Teachable or Udemy. And finally, you promote it. Once it's up and running, it can literally generate sales for months or even years with very little ongoing work. Passive income streams are the key to financial freedom. It's so true. This isn't just about making a little extra money on the side. It's about building a foundation where your money starts earning money for you. It's about freeing up your time, giving you more choices. That's the real goal, right? And hey, creating a course is just one way to do it. There are so many other paths. You could invest in dividend stocks for those regular payouts, generate rental income from a property, build a niche blog that earns affiliate commissions, or even start a YouTube channel. Yeah, each one takes some work up front, but the long-term payoff can be absolutely incredible. Okay, so you've got the ideas. Now let's talk strategy. Because to really succeed in 2026, you need to know where the big opportunities are and, more importantly, how to execute. Think of this next part as your blueprint for success. Looking ahead, a few areas have just explosive potential. AI services are blowing up. And for beginners, the opportunity isn't about being a coding genius. It's about offering things like AI-powered content creation for small businesses who don't have time to learn it themselves. Niche e-commerce is also huge. It lets you dominate a tiny market instead of fighting giants. And of course, sustainable, eco-friendly businesses are really gaining traction. Focusing on one of these trends could give you a massive head start. No matter which path you decide to go down, please follow these rules. Don't try to do everything at once, okay? Start with one, maybe two ideas, get really good at them, and then you can expand. Always be learning, keep track of your progress, and definitely use social media to get the word out there. Whew, we've covered a lot of ground, haven't we? From those quick start active hustles all the way to long-term passive empires. So, after all that, the big question is, which path is calling your name? Let's pull it all together. Okay, this table right here, it basically pulls everything we've talked about into one neat little package. You can see the low investment options, the online businesses you can scale up, and the true passive income streams all side by side. Make sure you look at that best four column. That's where you'll find what really aligns with your personal goals. So there it is. The ideas, the trends, the blueprint for success, it's all right here in front of you. The only thing missing from this equation is you taking that first step. So I'll leave you with this one question. What is the very first step you are going to take right now to start building your side income empire for